Today, allow me to be your guide, your time traveller through an odyssey draped in horsepower and elegance. Greetings once again, Mr. MJW official here, this time steering you through some British car history with a twist. From the industrial heart of Great Britain, a legacy emerged that would carve its mark in chrome and steel across the centuries. We Brits have a rich and proud heritage of car making, dating back into the early 20th century by stewards such as Jaguar, Aston Martin, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. These brands have produced some of the most beautiful and powerful cars ever made that have shaped the culture of their time. But these cars are not just relics of the past, they are also alive and well in the present today, thanks to the efforts and passion of some of the dedicated car enthusiasts and specialists available. These people have restored and recreated these classic cars with respect and fidelity, using original parts and techniques, but have also added modern improvements and features. They have also created new versions of these cars that honour their legacy and spirit. These new versions are known as Resto-mods. I'm going to show you some of these amazing examples of these cars that celebrate the golden age of British automaking. The Jaguar E-Type by Eagle E-Types. The Jaguar E-Type is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made. It was launched in 1961 and was an instant sensation with its sleek curves, powerful engine, and affordable price. It was also a favourite of celebrities like Stephen McQueen, Frank Sinatra, and Brigitte Bardot. Eagle E-Types is a company that specialises in restoring and upgrading E-Types to perfection. They use original parts and materials, but also add modern improvements such as air conditioning, power steering, and fuel injection. They also offer bespoke models that can be customised to your preferences. The Aston Martin DB5 Goldfinger. Aston Martin's DB5 is one of the most iconic cars in cinema history. It was first featured in the 1964 James Bond film Goldfinger, where it had gadgets like machine guns, injector seats, and bulletproof shields. It was also used in several other Bond films, such as Thunderball, GoldenEye, Skyfall, and Spectre. In 2019, Aston Martin announced it would produce 25 continuation models of the DB5 Goldfinger, with all of the original gadgets and specifications. These models are not road legal, but they are fully functional and faithful to the original car. The Rolls-Royce Phantom 5 by Lunza Design. Rolls-Royce's Phantom 5 is one of the most luxurious and prestige cars ever made. It was produced from 1959 to 1968, and it was used by heads of state, dignitaries, and celebrities such as Queen Elizabeth II, John F. Kennedy, Elvis Presley, and John Lennon. Lunza Design is a company that specialises in electrifying classic cars with modern technology. They have recently converted a 1961 Phantom 5 into an electric car with a 120 kilowatt battery pack that provides 300 miles of range. They have also restored the original bodywork and interior with meticulous attention to detail. These are just some of the examples of iconic British car models, Resto-mod projects, and continuation models from the UK. They show how these classic cars have stood their test of time and how they can still impress us today. If you enjoyed today's step back in time, please fuel our journey with your likes, comments, and subscriptions. See ya!